Taste test.
Bit raw.
Very good.
Bit raw, but let's have a look in the middles.
Oh yeah, they aren't cooked properly.
It's all good, boys.
No, it's so good. Wait, we're not going to get sick. That's okay. Ready? Yep. Oh!
So just for the hook.
Yeah.
Fuck! Press. Boys, what are we catching?
Salmon, mate.
Got a big skull on it.
What's inbred doing, bro? It looks kind of special. They're just hanging around.
Yeah, there's a big skull on them.
Oh yeah. What are you doing, Jacob?
About to catch a big stinger on this little pen.
Pen? Oh, no, pen, that's Shimano.
Oh, yeah, same thing. Too bad. Size dog shot.